Hey, what's up, guys? It's LightningDude42 here, and I'm back again to bring you guys another reaction video. Again, I know I've disappeared, yada yada yada, and all that, because I've been busy with my other channel and my personal life and all that. And for today's reaction, we're going to be reacting to I'm pretty sure you guys know the Frying Nemo series made by Emperor Lemon. I don't know what, I think it was way back in 2014 or something. And of course, I did react to the other two, but it's been a while since I last reacted to it. I'm seeing right now that I reacted to Frying and Refrying Nemo back in 2017 and 2018. But now we're going to be reacting to the third part of the saga, PanFrying Nemo. The one that I'm watching is a re-upload because the original one got taken down, which was made by Emperor Lemon, and this one's only 8 minutes long, so let's get started then. Yeah, my earbud in, thank you, and let's begin. 3, 2, 1, play.
Darla's coming in 3 days!
Tom.
3 days to live!
Hey, man. 3 days until it's your... Wait, bro. Oh my god, no. That's a pan from TF2.
I think it's best if I carry on my way to son.
What?
You're one of those fish that caused
confusion and delay.
Delay fish. Clay fish.
Cause I know that I'm a
Ellen.
Something's wrong with you. Really.
You! So what are we?
Ouch.
Does this look unsure to you?
Would somebody please give me direction? Direction.
You take the blue pill.
No. What the?
You are a work.
Cyberbully level. Hey, hey. You'll be sick, you big baby.
I'm surrounded by assholes.
I'm gonna go cry some more.
Was that from Schoolhouse Rock?
Brutality on Reddit.
Fish too
My
wild.
name is Marlin.
Do you suck dicks?
Yes.
That's a lot. Darling.
Alright, that does it! I'm sick of this shit! I don't think I'm taking it any longer! You all push me to this!
Oh.
Cause you had a bad day! Take the one down!
Nice.
Oh, the stew? 2 days until, uh-oh.
Big sticks! Get your big sticks here!
$1.
Whoa! Nice trench.
That's new.
Trench.
That's your mama.
Hello!
What the
Dr.
fuck
Rabbit.
happened? We land in the Marianas Trench?
Swim through it, not over it.
12 seconds later.
Something's telling me we should swim over it, not through it.
Are you even looking at this thing? It's got death written all over it. Look, something shiny.
Buzz, look, an alien! Where?
It's a
I
jellyfish.
shall call him Fabio, and he shall be mine.
The heck?
Fucking kid!
Oh,
Get your ass whooped!
child abuse.
Boing, 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 boing.
Mushroom
I
Gorge.
wonder if Mushroom Gorge will win.
Clearly.
What the fuck?
Oh, rainbow.
No! No! Are you serious? I fell for hours!
Hours, long time.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
With GameFly, choose from over 6 game titles.
Game?
To EV Games.
Damn, I remember that commercial.
Tori?
Slow ride. Jellyfish.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Take it easy.
What the fuck is a
Nemo!
Koopa.
What happened?
What happened?
First you were all like, whoa! And then we were all like, dude! And then you were like,
Dude.
first you were all like, whoa! And then we were all like,
Wow.
and then you were like,
What are you talking about?
you smoking the jellies. You got serious throat issues, dude.
Oh, my stomach.
No burning on the shell, dude.
Oh.
You, dude.
I got diarrhea.
No shelling on the shell, dude.
Oh. Real nice.
You shitting me?
Listen, I need to get to the EA.
EA Sports. It's in
To
the
the
game.
Whoa, hey guys.
DB.
Check it out!
I like turtles.
Who the heck are you?
Okay, grab my ass, dude!
Do a barrel roll.
What about
She is so level, dude.
Doritos.
Doritos?
Oh my god, someone call an ambulance!
Hi everyone, welcome to John Madden.
Ambulance!
Hey, John. Man. Daffy.
Dude, so totally sucks!
You little...
Oh,
You
again.
good, my son? Awesome. It's awesome.
Totally.
My son.
Jingle! Look at neighbors, they brought me there.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
It's Jake from State Farm.
Why are you in State Farm?
Dude, it's just eggs.
Don't you ever talk about eggs!
That's legit anger.
They find their
I
way
am the
back to
walrus.
But,
Chew.
Thomas?
know when they're ready.
Are you ready, kids?
I'm not SpongeBob!
You stupid fucks!
Well, you never really know, but when they never know, you'll really know, you know? Oh, you know?
At no point in your rambling, incoherent response were you even close to anything that could be considered a rational thought.
John.
And may God have mercy on your soul.
Oh, please!
Release the hounds.
Well, that was quite a video. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed my reaction to PanFrying Nemo. Join me next time, and we'll be reacting to the final installment, which is, I think is I don't know what the last one's called. Deep Frying Nemo. I think that's the last one of the series. And if you guys enjoyed my reaction, just hit that subscribe button, like, share this video, and till next time, LD42 out.